Hey everyone, Mortaza here with Heartbeat, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can set up limited time offers, so offers that expire after a certain calendar date or offers that are only available for, let's say, like the first 50 people inside of your Heartbeat community. Let's dive in. For my limited time offer, I actually want to have this nice course that I've set up over here, and I want to create it so that there's only a certain number of people that can actually sign up for this course, or maybe like you have to sign up before a certain date to get access to this course. So to do that, I'm going to go into my admin settings in the bottom left corner over here. I'm going to visit the offers page so I can create a paid offer for that course. And remember, you're going to have to connect your Stripe account to be able to do this. So if you haven't done that, just click the configure payments, follow the prompts, and you'll be able to connect your Stripe account. To get started building this, I'm going to click this create offer button in the top right corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and select digital product because it's a one-time purchase. It's for like a course. So I'm going to select this over here. Now this offer name is, we're just going to call this limited time offer for marketing course. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this course over here. I only have one course in this community, so we're just going to use that over here. And then the pricing that I'm going to set for this is, we'll do $25 for the pricing. It does look like this course already has some pricing, but I'm just going to set up this like unique offer for it. So this is all set up and I'm good to go. On my next step on the offer, this is where I can actually start setting up some like limitations here. So I could set a quantity limit. I could say, you know what, I'm only going to allow 50 purchases of this course, and then that's it. And so this is an easy way that you could set this up where the first 50 people that get the course, they get it and they're in. This works really well, especially if you're doing like bigger cohort-based courses or things like that, where you're expecting like a high volume of people to come in before the course actually kicks off, and you just want to set some like realistic limits. I could also instead set like an expiration date over here. So I could say, you know what, this course is available, but you have to sign up before, let's say, February 14th. And then we could do this at like 11:55 p.m., right? So like that's the latest that you can sign up over here. I could also choose to like add in some social proof. I already have this set up in my settings, but if you don't have this set up, you can like turn this on and set it up over here. And then I could even create some upsells. So the people that are already inside my community are going to see these upsells and be able to like join in on this course. So I do want to do this. I'm going to go ahead and edit this content over here. And I'm going to type in a title over here and say, level up your marketing with our new course. And then I could also add in a description. And I could say 15 modules designed to help you rapidly scale, like lead gen, conversion, and grow your business. So I've got this set up as well, and I could even add in like a video. So I've got a couple videos uploaded here. I think super relevant, but I'll go ahead and grab this one. I'm going to select this video over here. So now I've got this video at the top of this upsell as well too. I could add in some custom button text as well, and I could say now, or let's say join now. How about that? I could add in a testimonial as well too. So I'm just going to use like an existing member over here, something that like makes this look pretty cool. We'll grab Mayhul over here. We know Mayhul isn't really a marketer, but that's cool. And then over here, I'm just going to say this course doubled my sales in 2 months, right? So something like really powerful, really strong that gets people to purchase this. So this is the upsell. This is like pretty like solid copy. I've got the title, I've got the description, I've got a testimonial, I've got a video that walks through it, and now you click join now. So now anybody that's like in my community and clicking around, when they see this course and they click view course, they'll see upsell content that looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and hit the save button over here. So this is all saved and good to go. I can even add in a post-purchase redirect. So that way, as soon as you purchase this course, I want to land you inside of this course. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the title of this course, which is Marketing Mastery. And I'm going to grab that. So you'll buy, and then you're immediately taken to that page. Great. I've got this all done. I set this, instead of a quantity limit, I just set up an expiration date. You can do both. And then as soon as like one of those is reached, or, either we hit the cap on students or we hit that like calendar date, expiration date, then we'll go ahead and stop sales from happening. But for right now, just for simplicity, I'm going to set an expiration date, and then we'll click this finish button over here. So now I'm good to go. All I need to do to get people to actually join this is they can, click and sign up inside the community. I could also copy this link over here, and I can send this out to folks. Because I created an upsell, Heartbeat's going to take that upsell content and use that to create an automatic landing page. So to preview what that looks like, I can just drop this information over here, and I can see what this landing page looks like. And what's awesome is I've got this like little countdown up here at the top that tells me, hey, I only have like a certain number of days to be able to like actually get access to this course, right? So we can drive a little bit more urgency over here by having that like countdown that's like stickied up to the top of the page. I've got this testimonial here as well too. I've got the purchase button. And then of course I've got this like big join now button over here. If I do click this, then it's going to take me to the payment page. I can enter in my information over here, and then I can drop in my card number, all of that, and then click this purchase button to be able to get access to the course. Once I purchase it, I'm automatically going to be dropped into the course. That's going to be the first thing that I see when I jump into Heartbeat. So that covers everything. If I wanted to go ahead and edit that sign up page, I could also do that too, just by going to sign up pages over here and then clicking this edit button. I can just, change up all the copy and all the stuff over here just to make sure that it fits exactly how I want my sign up page to look. So with that covers everything in terms of setting up limited time offers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us just by using this little help button in the bottom right corner of your community, or reach out to our team by emailing support@heartbeat.chat.